In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language in Typeform. Whether you're working on a survey, a quiz, or any other type of form, setting the right language can help you reach a wider audience and ensure that your participants fully understand the content. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to make this change. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Typeform website. Go ahead and open your web browser and type in typeform.com. This will take you to the homepage where you can log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, you may need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, it's time to select the form you want to edit. Simply browse through your list of forms and click on the one where you want to change the language settings. If you have a lot of forms, you might find it helpful to use the search bar to quickly locate the specific form you're looking for. With your selected form open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This icon is typically used for settings and adjustments, and it's your gateway to customizing many aspects of your form. Click on this gear icon to reveal a menu of options available for your form. In the settings menu that appears after clicking the gear icon, look for the option labeled Language. This option allows you to change the language settings for your form. Click on it to proceed to the language selection area. Now that you're in the language settings, you have the opportunity to change the main language of your form. A drop-down menu should appear displaying a list of available languages. Choose the language that best suits your audience by clicking on it. This will set the primary language for your form, ensuring all participants see the content in the language you've selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in your Typeform. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how accessible and inclusive your form is to a broader audience. Remember, if you ever need to switch languages again or make any other changes, you can always return to these settings and make adjustments as needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips on using Typeform and other tools effectively. Have a great day and happy form building.